So you saw I just did 15. I was just able to do 15 with 20-pound weights. But I told you I was gonna do 10. The goal was to only do 10. Since I was able to do 15, I just learned I'm freaking strong mother effer. And that was too light. And so now that I was able to do 15 with 20s, I'm supposed to now do another set with 25 and do less until I can't do it anymore. That's the idea. When you can't do it anymore, you build your muscle. Does that make sense? For lateral and front raises, I don't go above 10 pounds. I could do 12s. Let me show you. So you have to understand how this works, right? So here's I'm holding 12s, actually plus my 1 pound on my wrist. Okay, 12. You can see I'm kind of struggling because I'm shrugging my shoulders. You see what I mean? It's really hard to do. Okay, so I can't do that many. I can't do that many. So this would be too heavy because you want to keep your arms flat. You want to keep your shoulder down. You don't want to shrug your shoulders. You want to keep your shoulders nice and down, because then the exercise is just lifting your arms. You see how I'm a lot straighter? You should try yourself. Try to lift your 8s and then try and lift your 15s. I bet you if you lifted your 15s, you're going to be doing this. Right? Because it's too heavy. So the idea is to just lift your arm to only do the shoulder. So 8 to 10 is fine, okay? Like I said, no female bikini bodybuilder who's trying to be lean and on the small side, not bulky side, does not go above 10 pounds, okay? No, Kelly, I just said not to do 15. If we're doing lateral, maybe we're miscommunicating because now I don't know what you're responding to. So, shoulder press, you go heavy. Lateral and front, you do not go heavy. Okay? Cool.